Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Update WhatsApp and your phone OS because outdated builds often crash. Once done, free at least 500 MB of storage and close heavy background apps. This reduces memory pressure that forces autoclose. Make sure to restart the device. Reboot clears transient faults and refreshes app permissions. After reboot, open WhatsApp briefly to see if the crash persists. If it does, you'll move on to app-level repairs and permission checks in the next step. You now tackle app-level causes. Clear WhatsApp cache to remove corrupt temporary files. If issues persist, backup chat history and clear app data. This resets settings but preserves messages if backed up. Next, inspect permissions. Ensure storage, contacts, microphone are allowed because denied permissions can cause unexpected behavior. Also, disable aggressive battery optimizations or add WhatsApp to the whitelist, since the system may be killing the process. Once these are adjusted, relaunch WhatsApp and check stability before moving to system repairs. You finish with system-level solutions. If app fixes fail, uninstall then reinstall WhatsApp and restore from your recent backup. This replaces corrupted binaries. Next, install any pending firmware or security updates because OS bugs can crash apps. If crashes continue, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party app conflicts and consider a factory reset only as a last resort after backing up everything. One key tip, if nothing helps, collect crash logs or screenshots and contact support. Having logs speeds diagnosis and a target.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.